All right, today we wanted to show you these HAUL-MASTER loading ramps that go for pickup trucks at Harbor Freight. These are the 12 by 90 arched aluminum ramps, 3,000 pound capacity or 1,500 individual. So you can use it for a motorcycle, ATV, quad, anything really. And we got a small lawnmower in here because we have the 8-foot bed, and it's just easier to get it in and out than pulling a trailer. So we're gonna get this thing down and talk about any issues we had with loading and unloading. All right, as you've seen, we got the lawnmower down pretty easy. There's one caveat, and this may not affect everybody, but it affected us because we do have a really high sitting dually, especially with off-road bumpers. It's not real tailgate friendly on this truck. Kind of swoops up a little bit. So we were getting caught up on this lip here on both sides with the blades. So our solution was just to angle it up a little more with some 2x4. And one piece on each side does fine, and the lawnmower comes right down. So other than that, no issues. Loads and unloads perfectly. Comes with a small pull cinch down strap on both sides that are attached in with a screw. It's nice aluminum, has nice grip. It does slip a little bit if the tires are super wet. It's not terrible though, but just be aware if you're loading it in the morning, it will slip a little bit. But other than that, they're pretty good setup. They will not fit in the back of a normal size, like 6 foot, 6.5 foot bed. To put them inside this 8-foot bed, they lay down pretty good, but you have to put it over all the way towards the front. All right, overall, they're lightweight, extremely portable, and you can transport all of your off-road or lawn equipment in the back of a pickup truck as long as the bed is big enough. All right, we think these HAUL-MASTER ramps will pay for themselves after the year, and just not pulling the trailer when you need to move stuff around, just loading up the small equipment in the back. So definitely a good buy. They were priced all right, and if you catch a coupon from Harbor Freight, it's an even better deal. Thanks for watching.